How to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily find your hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is simply open up your chat and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you open up your WhatsApp, you'll just have to make sure that you're logged in. Now, typically what you could do is simply find your log chat right above your archive, but if you have created a secret code while locking the chat, then you'll have to type in that code. So for example, I've set the code as ABCD, and it will show me the chat if I just search for this. As you can see, it will show me the locked chat and it has automatically unlocked it. Now I can just tap on the chat and start chatting. So if you want to turn it off, you can just go ahead and tap on the chat lock settings and then hide the secret code. So if you want to change it, you can do that as well. I'm just going to completely turn it off. Now I'm going to tap on continue. It will still be the locked chat, but you can see it directly from home screen now. So just tap on it, use your fingerprint or face ID to unlock the chat. And if you want to completely unhide this, long press on the chat, tap on the three dots, and then tap on unlock chat. Now use the secret code or your PIN, and then your chat will be unlocked just like that. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.